This is the unboxing of the brand new PD100X microphone by Maono. So once you open up that box, you can see that there's two options. Either plugging the microphone directly to your PC or Mac using its included cable, or connect to your audio interface using a XLR cable. Once you open the other side of the box up, you will see a user manual that's on top of the microphone and the accessories. So in the little accessory box, you will see a included USB-C to A cable. But what's cool about that cable is that wherever, if you have a MacBook Pro or an actual Windows gaming PC, you can actually go between USB-A or Type-C in one of the end of the cable, which is pretty nice, especially if you don't have Type-Cs or Type-A. And another thing that you have in the accessory box is that built-in bass stand that you can connect your microphone to. And last but not least, a microphone that's inside of a plastic wrap. Not gonna lie, this microphone looks pretty good as well as how it feels. And the build quality is really good. On the front of the microphone, you will see a microphone gain, and once you press that button, it'll turn into a headphone monitoring volume. And on top of that, there is a capacitive button that you can mute or unmute your microphone. On the very bottom, there is a Type-C connector that you can connect to your gaming computer or a MacBook, a headphone jack for headphone monitoring, and a XLR cable so you can connect it to an audio interface. And lastly, there is a button that you can change the RGB that's around the port. Okay, so in order to get the software for the PD100X, you just gotta type in Maono link, and then that first link on this Google search, click on that, and then click on this download button. And then it's gonna tell you which microphone you have. But the one that I have is a PD100X, but I do not have the RGB model. You just click on download, and it'll show you a zip file. So once you already did, go to your downloads folder, you gotta right click and then unzip the file, extract all, and then you get this folder right here. Click on this app that is an executable file, or double click to open the app. Follow the instructions that the app is giving you, and then once it's done, you should be able to see this. So you're gonna come with this side, and then it's gonna tell you what microphone you have. So in my case, I have the PD100X. Click on that, and then it's gonna give you all those options. So the first one, it has a mic preview where it can tell you how loud you are, like the greens to the red ones. I typically like to hit on the yellows, that way you guys can hear me. You got the mic gain, which I'm not gonna make it louder because that's what the clipping is. You got the mic monitoring, and you got the deep standard tone, and now you got the natural tone. Next, you got the RGB thing. Okay, so that's red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, and you got the purple, and then you got white, which is my favorite color. Or you guys like rainbow puke. And you got the advanced tab right here. When you stick at that same gain and mic monitoring as before, except that you got the EQ settings. You got 3 settings. You got the limiter, compressor, and noise. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I forgot to tell you, there's a legacy mode, which I don't know how that sounds, but you guys can hear it by the time I'm editing it. The Maono PD100X gaming microphone offers superior audio quality with a 24-bit 48 kHz sampling rate and 30 Hz to 16 kHz frequency response. Its audio capsule ensures clear audio capture even in noisy environments. The Maono XLR dynamic mic uses advanced noise reduction technology to deliver clear audio in any environment using the Maono Link software. You can customize noise reduction levels for gaming, streaming, or literally anything that you're recording. So they got some crystal clear audio and seamless connectivity on the Maono PD100X microphone. Wherever, if you're a streamer, YouTuber, or a gamer, or literally anything that you do online, or just doing Discord calls. Now it's time for the plosive test. Peter Piper picked a peck of picked peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Okay, so I can still hear that plosives on the microphone. So I'm gonna move that black foam thingy a little bit up, which exposes a little bit of the capsule. So now let's try again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Yeah, it sounds a little bit better, but I don't like having the black thing a little bit more up, so I'm just gonna put it back to where it is before. Which I know it's probably gonna do a little bit of plosives, but it'll be fine for what I'm doing right now. This is how I sound with the music on the background that is coming from my Bluetooth speaker and the sounds coming from my computer fans. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So far, I've been really impressed by this microphone. As you guys can tell, I have it connected to the boom arm that my previous microphone was previously in before I got this microphone sent to me. Personally, when it comes to the RGB, it's really cool and all, but personally, I really don't care for RGB as much because I just prefer the white color. So yeah, I changed it to white, matches my keyboard and my PC. I've been really loving this microphone so far. Thank you guys for watching. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys don't miss none of the videos that I'll be uploading in my YouTube videos. Toss a like if you like this video, which is gonna push this video to more people on YouTube. Join my Discord server, which I'll be doing giveaways on there, as well as my PC flipping stuff on there too. Peace.